Okay, viewers, I'm back. It's part 3 of changing the oil. I probably could have did this in 2 parts, but I got delayed there for a second. Here's the dipstick. I've just finished putting that quart in there in the container. Screw this on. Brought out some paper towels. I've cleaned my camera as well, so let's clean up this so I don't get covered in oil. Pop both spark plugs off so it does not fire. Actually, it'll fire, but it will not start. There we go. Pop the clutch in. Turn the motor over. Okay. Turn the ignition off. Don't want to kill the battery. Let's check the oil. Set this down. Yeah, it will sit there. Turn the camera. And put the screen my way. Next time I do this, I will videotape this again next time I do change the oil, and I'll be better at it then. I hate this oil cap. It's too close to the gas tank. I wish this had a rear mount tank. I could have bought a roper with a rear mount tank, but I didn't know about buying a roper. I was also looking at Husqvarna's, but they are a lot more expensive. And I was also looking at Cub Cadets, which are also a lot more expensive when I first bought this one. Okay, let's check the oil level. Add. Still at add. So I believe it takes 2 full ones. Yeah. It wants more. I knew it would. I just want to see how low it was. If I remember correctly from last time, it took almost 2 complete ones to fill it. To fill it up to the proper level. So, while we're here, if we got time, I'll pull one of the spark plugs out and check it. Hopefully this doesn't take much longer. Let's check it now. I poured half in. Put the dipstick in. I'll leave the camera sitting there. I'll crank the motor. Let's check it again. And you gotta pull it out, pop it back in, and then pull it out again. Long, tedious process. There we are. Almost. We're halfway to full. So, it might take the rest of it, it might not take the rest of it. I do not know. We'll have to wait and see. It's a pretty big motor, so. Like big as in cubic inches. Heck, my stepdad's motorcycle is only 4 cubic inches bigger. And it's a Honda V-twin. So. Okay, let's try it right there. That should be good now. And like I said, before I drive it, double check everything and clutch in. That's good enough. I hate this oil tube. Too close to the gas tank. Let me see how much time we got. We're only in 4 minutes, we're fine. I might have time to check the plugs still. As long as I have everything handy, which I think I do. And we're full. Perfect. Perfect on the oil. Okay, now, since we're only in 4 minutes, let's check out the spark plugs. Like I said, I might change them this month since my GST check actually came in. I was expecting to have to pay for my taxes this month, but my GST check came in, so I got an extra 60 bucks, so not too bad. Let's go in the shop here. The bag is right here with the tools. Yes, I'm still using this bag. Since the plug wires are already off. See if I can find it. Nope. There's one of them, that might be it. Let's get a ratchet. There's the other one as well. I want this ratchet right here. Let's bring them both out. I imagine the plugs are fine, but let's just take a peek at them. Like I said, never once had these plugs out, so. No, that one's too big. I may not actually have the size on me. Nope. It's the small one. Those are the two big ones. So let's see if I can find the small one. It makes me think it's probably the long-threaded plugs. Random spark plug. It's not in here. Probably up on there on the bench. Oh, there it is. Let's try it. We're only in 6 minutes, so we still got time. There we go. That's it. Put the ratchet on lefty. Nope. Let's pop this off. Still, yeah, it's a long thread. Sure feels like it. Yeah, it's a long thread, definitely. So when I go get E3s, I gotta get the long ones. Does not matter. And they're a little burnt. Look at that. Tell me if anyone knows. Let me switch hands a bit. That looks like a normal plug should look like. It looks a little bit burned to me. Yeah, it looks a little bit burned to me, so. See if it seems to wipe off. No. Yeah, the plugs need to be changed. They're burned. This plug at least does, but if I do one, I do the other. They're the originals. They're not even a year old yet. But I'll put a good quality spark plug in here. Let's quickly screw this back in. And let's do the other one. Just quickly check out the other one. It's probably the same. Let's see why it would probably be any different, but this one cylinder is running leaner than the other. Pop this off. There we go. But carefully don't drop it into the oil. Then it will be smoking. It will be smoking then. I'll be real quick here. I'm running out of time. I'm almost up to 10 minutes. There we go. Oh yeah, that one's even worse. I guess I'm gonna need to set a plug soon. Yeah, I'm gonna need to set plugs. Okay, so turn the camera around. Thank you for watching. Please comment, please subscribe. If anyone knows why they might be that black, please let me know. It's less than a year old. So please let me know. Please comment, please subscribe. Greatly appreciated. Everyone have a great day. Keep her redneck. Hopefully you enjoyed everything, and stay tuned for more. Bye.